Sunday, March 24th, 2:37 p.m. New York time. We're coming into a holiday this week. This Friday, U.S. stock market will be closed. It's a short trading week. It's also the last week of the month. It's also the ending in the month of March. That's significant. That would be the first 3 months, which means the quarter will be completed. Next month, in April, we'll have earnings for many companies, stock earnings. So this is the time frame, the next few days, in the first few days, beginning of the new month, be window dressing. I explained that very well in the past videos. Institutions that manage other people's money across the board will be unloading and doing accumulation. Unloading, being getting rid of the bad performers and adding good performers. And all that information they did for the past 3 months is public information, which they'll be releasing. And you can see publicly on the Securities Exchange Commission website in April. A lot of people look through that to see what the big institutions, the top positions are in, as well as what they're out of. But that's outdated information. But the charts give a good signal of what's occurring with volume and price spikes or big sell-offs. So now we're looking at the charts, the market cycle, 5-year chart, each candle's a week on the go-to stock index for the Dow 30 largest publicly traded companies. The Dow 30 index is very diversified. A smaller version, of course, of the S&P 500. So the Dow Jones Industrial Average, you could trade it as a stock ETF, symbol DIA. All-time high, outstanding. It's in a markup phase. That's bullish. Nice. So still opportunities to be buying on the dip. And look at that for the month. It's accumulation and a breakout to the upside. Again, at the end of the month, I'll be looking at the higher time frames. The weekly will go into the monthly. Right now, just looking at the weekly candles. So again, before we go into the individual stocks out for quarter, we see that the Dow is in a markup phase at all-time high in green. Switch alpha quarter. Alpha. Look at Apple. Trending down. Huge consolidation phase. Down here is a swing low. It's like doing an M pattern. A lot of red here. Yep, there's a low of the year, that yellow horizontal line. Here's a swing low. A lot of rejection here. It's underperforming the Dow. Amazon, inside candle for the month. I'll be looking for a trade idea of that. Yep, could be a turning point. Here, inside candle here, broke below it, went down. But now it's on the bottom of a trend. Might be the inverse. Set your alerts. Amazon. Oops, if I said I'm sorry if I said Amazon here. I said sorry, Amazon here. So this this orange vertical line is where it got added to the Dow 30. Nice. It's in a markup phase. Very nice. Coming back up to the highs of 2021 looks like. American Express, outstanding, new high. Huge markup phase. Banks, the financials. American Express, doing better than Apple. Amazing. Boeing, No surprise. New low for the year. And also come here, very close to that low of 2023. But did close green. So are you going to catch it on the bottom? Think it's going to turn? I think it's going to continue going lower. Opportunities. Caterpillar, new high, outstanding. Salesforce, stock symbol Charlie Romeo Mike. Huge consolidation building here. Still in the markup phase. But it's an consolidation period right now of that markup phase. So building energy for breakout one way or the other. Cisco Systems. Inside candle for the week. Again, set your alerts. Catch that breakout. Should be a new trend. Here's a high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Certainly see that was a rejection. That was a bearish stop on right there, that red candle. See if it changes after that now. Chevron, also inside candle. Quite a few inside candles. Huge consolidation here. Bullish engulfing, higher consolidation. So it's doing a staircase pattern, higher high. Nice. Maybe you're going to retest that high. Disney, huge turnaround this year. Look at that. New high for the year. Outstanding. Very close to the high of 2023. Almost looks like it's doing a sloppy cup and handle pattern. Well, it did a couple of handle pattern here. That was nice. Looks like institutions bought here too. Big smart money. Yep. They returned. Dow Chemical. Also, nice performance here. Consolidation, breakout. It's in the markup phase. Trending up to the 2023. Goldman Sachs, outstanding. New high for the year and took out the high for 2022. The financials, outstanding. Let's remove that. Financials are strong this year. Even with interest rates left unchanged, the financials are strong. Home Depot, new high for the year. Outstanding. Honeywell, big consolidation phase, tight pattern, almost like a wedge. IBM, coming off the highs of the year. Intel, yeah, new low for the year. Very close to that midpoint. A big difference than NVIDIA. Yeah, new low for the year. That's not good. Johnson & Johnson. Oops, let's fix this. That should be 2024. There we go. So Johnson & Johnson very close to the low of the year. Not good. That has a higher chance of breaking down. Just that candle body. Yep. Big bearish candle. Might see that breakdown go a little lower. JP Morgan, outstanding. All-time high also there. Wow, another financials. Took off like a rocket ship. Coca-Cola, inside candle for the month. Again, set alerts, trading opportunities. See how that goes. Huge consolidation there. Tight pattern. McDonald's. Last week was the low of the year. This week, inside candle. Again, consolidation. Impulse move down. Bearish impulse move down. Of course, it's bearish impulse move down. Yeah, that's not good. Got late to the midpoint too. Which touched it, but I'm still going to leave it. Yeah, big turnaround. Yep, somebody's buying that down there. Interesting. Huge move up. Big value spike. In Merck. Another inside candle. Microsoft, new high, outstanding. Markup phase, wonderful. Broke out acceleration, nice. Nike, new low for the year. No surprise. Retail, lots of problems. Procter Gamble, inside candle, small candle, like a dodgy. That's suspicious up there. Two of them might be distribution. You might see that be tanking soon. That might be a dump. Yep, I think they're unloading that. Very suspicious. Take that to the faster time frame now. So I got the drawings in the faster time frame. I don't know if they're valid anymore. Probably not. But they're doing the weekly focus. So we're looking at the daily, but I'm losing the looking at the daily, but we're using the weekly drawings. Yeah, this looks like distribution. Distribution means smart money selling. You have a consolidation, a lot of small bodies, very close to each other. Yep, good market makers camouflaging it, but not good enough. I see that. And look at that dump. So little insight. I'll show you. See the high right there, 162.73. When I hover over you see the volume would be down to the left. So that high, the volume was over 5 million, 5,410,000 of this consolidation. And the low of the consolidation, being this green candle, was 10 million plus, almost 11 million shares down here. Yep. So there are less buyers up here. You got it? We know that's an all-time high in this consolidation right there. Less buying up there. And more trades going down here. Yeah, you could say there's more buyers down here if you want. Okay. But the confidence level is not more buyers on the top to go higher. And we're looking here again. That high. 5,410,000. Now go here. 5,800,000. And this candle, rejection candle, 6 million. So there's more shares that were traded here, 6 million plus, more shares traded here, but did not take that high here out. Plus this this daily candle here that had more shares, huge wick on the top, small body on the bottom, bearish pin bar. Yep. All that volume closed near the bottom, bearish. It's distribution, smart money selling. Can you participate in a trade here? We trade bearish. Basic way, which only gives you a 50% chance of success, is shorting a stock. You have to have a margin account. You must be improved with your broker. You should understand the risk. Another method, more advanced, are using options. Well, if you just buy puts, that only gives you a 50% chance because, again, the stock has to go down fast. If you do advanced option strategies, do vertical spreads, specifically credit vertical spreads, bear call spreads. You make sure you use the right delta, make sure you use the right time length, opportunities. Now they could do this longer. Nobody knows how long they're going to keep this consolidation. They might pump it up a few more times, do some stop hunts. Yep, timing. That's why the advanced option strategies, credit spreads, you have a 70% chance of success. Yep. Also for day trading too. Again, this. Okay, let's go back to the more advanced continuation. Tango, Romeo, Victor, Travelers, another financial all-time high. Outstanding. Uniform November Hotel, United Health. Yeah, that. Let's label that manipulate there. That's suspicious too. This kind of company certainly would be affected this year, either positive or negative, because of the election year, especially the healthcare. Why? Because that's always been a big issue between both political parties. Either let one charge more to the consumer or more price control. And also, one political party often lets more of M&A, merger and acquisitions, take away competition, make prices more. Visa, another financial. Look at that. New highs, bearish pin bar up there. Very suspicious. Again, it's the month of March. The ending, coming into the ending of March. So again, may see a lot of whipsaw the next few days. And look at this. Verizon, telecommunications company. Yeah, struggling there. And another retail, Walmart, new high. So again, big difference. This kind of Walmart retail, this kind of retail versus Nike. Yeah, this retail is much more diversified, where Nike is a manufacturer and a retail combo. So anyway, yep. So if you like the information I shared with you, and if you want to get access to it the same day I release it, I have a Patreon link that's below. Thank you as always for spending just a little bit of your time with me. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.